Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer ink installation video. Today we've got the Canon G6020 and we're going to be installing the print heads and installing the ink bottles into this printer. So the first thing you're going to need to do is actually install the print heads, and I'm demonstrating that there, exactly how to do it. It's the color and black print head which you're installing. So that's the first step to actually setting up and installing the ink on this printer. Of course, the ink tanks will then, through those veins that you see there, push the ink into the print heads, and that's how you're going to be able to print. This is a very unique design that Canon only, I believe, is currently doing. So as you see there, just grabbing each print head and sliding it right in there, and then you're going to close it, and you'll be ready to install the bottled ink. Make sure to visit my website, bestprinterstech.com. Also, there will be links in the description below for this printer, for the printer ink, and other resources I mentioned in this video. So as you see there, you just close the top of the print head carriage, and you're going to click down both of those fasteners for the print head. Then you're going to go ahead and close that up. Actually, you're going to leave it open because you're going to want to install the ink. So the first one I'm going to install is the black bottled ink. Now with this package, if you click on the link in the description below, it's going to include 2 additional black bottled ink, which is going to be a huge benefit. And I mean, that's plenty of ink. That'll get you through for some time. So as you see there, you're just matching up the end of the bottle with the end of the ink tank, the top of it, and you're flipping up the bottle, and you're just leaving it there. The ink should be, dripping in there at a pretty quick rate. This is one of the faster ink charges that I've done with bottled ink. And you'll see there the yellow on the side, how quickly it fills up. And I was really impressed by that. I really like that about this printer. With the Epsons, the Eco Tanks, you see that it's a much slower process. So this being quick is very helpful because, it gets you going quickly. So the black and yellow you see there are completely filled up. So once they're filled up, you're just going to want to grab the cap, and you can shake it around just to make sure that there's no more ink in there. So once you have determined that you've pretty much filled it up, you can then, put the cap on it, and you can throw it in the trash. If it has a little bit left over for whatever reason, you can keep it and fill it up, as you need it. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like. Also, if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions at all about what I'm doing here, you can go ahead and comment below. So once you're done and you've removed your bottled ink, what you'll then do is just latch the cover back on. So now we're doing Cyan. And we'll give you a close-up here so you get a good idea of what needs to actually happen. You see the top of the ink nozzle there, and it fits right in place. There's nothing else to explain about that other than you flip the bottle over and you let it just you let the ink just drip into there. It's a pretty quick drip that ends up happening. Just make sure you don't mix up these colors, because then you'll end up having a problem. So as you see there, it just takes a little time to get started, fill the bottom of it, and then it just rises right to the top very quickly. And within a matter of seconds, you've got that ink compartment filled. So yellow and black you can do simultaneously. Then you can move to cyan, and then the last one would be magenta. Those are interchangeable, whichever one you want to do first. Now, if you wanted to see the quality of this printer, I will be leaving a link for the video of the print quality on this printer, and you'll be able to see the different colors, how they print out, how it looks, and I hope that ends up being helpful to you. There's also a review for this particular printer. Actually, the whole review will be on my channel, so make sure to subscribe and check my video listings for that. Okay, again, once you're done, just put the cap back on and just dispose of the bottles. You don't want to keep these bottles. Okay, so that's it. You're all done, and that's really how you do it. These are the 2 additional black ink bottles that will arrive in the package if you click the link in the description below for this printer if you're wanting to purchase it. All right, you guys, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.